In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy files to a USB drive here in Windows. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you need to transfer files to, say, a USB stick, a pen drive, or another external drive, here's how you can go ahead and do this. The first step is obviously just making sure that you plug your USB drive into an available USB port on your computer. USB only plugs in one way, so don't force it if it's not plugging in, just flip it around and then try. But after you go ahead and put that in, you're first going to want to go ahead and locate the files you want to copy. Open up your File Explorer and it's going to open up a page that looks like this. Go ahead and find whatever you'd like to go ahead and move. In this case, we're just going to use this picture right here. You can do a few different things. What I recommend doing, just because it's the easiest, is just right-clicking this file and then selecting Copy up at the very top. Or you could just press Ctrl-C, it doesn't necessarily matter. And then within File Explorer, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, there's going to be an option with your USB stick in it. Simply go ahead and find it and select it, and then right-click within the actual folder itself, and then hit Paste. And as you can see, it's going to go ahead and copy it into your USB drive. But yeah, overall, it is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out here on the channel, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.